Well, we have already started planning new business blended intensive programs once the first one was very successful. In Malta, as a business school, we want to be aligned a bit more with Malta Vision 2050, which is the framework of how Malta is planning their strategies.
We are looking at some of the UN's Sustainable Development Goals, and what makes this interesting is that we are providing a platform for multiple worldviews, for numerous perspectives to come on one table and come together and find solutions to common problems which are actually very critical in today's times.
Of the program that we have planned can be measured in both quantitative and qualitative ways. How will we do that? First, we check students' engagement, how much students are participating in the session and how engaged they are with the lecturers. Second, we check their presentations. What did they learn? What are they presenting at the end? Did they really have some valuable knowledge throughout these sessions? Third, we have students' feedback. By the end of the week, students will receive links to do feedback about all the sessions. So like this, we will understand better what to do next time. And finally, the most important point for me that I think is important to check how engaging and successful the program is the connection that these students from different cultures and from different countries made together. Because here it's not only about learning knowledge, it's also about growing on a personal level and making lifetime friendships.